Hello everyone. Do you know that your phone has enable settings that allows apps or websites to have access to your phone number? Now, this is not good because not every app or website is honest, because your phone can end up in database of scammers or advertising firm. Now, this explains why you get unsolicited calls. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off the settings. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Now let's get into the video. Go to your main settings, go to settings on your phone, tap on it, scroll down, tap on Google, tap on all services, scroll down, stop at the section where you see autofill and passwords, tap on phone number sharing. So over here we have phone number sharing. Like I mentioned earlier, phone number sharing on Android device is a feature that allows Google and other apps to automatically share or pre-fill your phone number when requested. Now, while intended to simplify signing up for services, this feature can also pose a privacy risk by exposing your number to third parties, including potential scammers and advertisers. So I will recommend to turn it off. So I'm going to turn it off. At the top left-hand corner, tap to go back. So now we are back onto our main screen. Now let's turn off the settings that give websites access to our phone number. Go to Google Chrome and tap on it. Go to the top right-hand corner, the three dots, tap on it. Go downwards, tap on Settings. Scroll down, you will see Passwords and Autofill. Now tap on Addresses and More. Now, Addresses and More in Google Chrome is a certain section that manages your saved personal information used for the autofill feature, allowing Chrome to automatically fill forms on websites to save you time and perhaps prevent errors. I would recommend that you turn this off because you can mistakenly use the autofill feature in a wrong website, thereby giving scammers or advertisers access to your phone number. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. Now, the last setting that we need to change to keep our phone safe is here. Now, go to your phone and tap on the settings. So here, this particular feature can be located anywhere in different Android devices. So I will recommend that you search for the feature, which is Permission Manager. I'll go to the search box and tap on that. Now, type in Permission Manager. You can see I already have Permission Manager there. I'm going to tap on it. When it opens, tap on Permission Manager under Apps. Now scroll downwards. Now you would see there Contacts. Tap on Contacts. You can see these are all the list of applications that do have access to your contacts. Now take time and go through this application one after the other and see which app really do need access to your contacts. Now, for instance, if I look at Calendar, I don't think Calendar should have access to my contacts. So I'm going to tap on Calendar and tap on Don't Allow. And there it says Don't Allow Anyway. So I'm going to tap that. Now go back to contact list. Now don't worry if you mistakenly disable an application that don't need access to your contacts. No problem. Whenever you tap on that application, it's still going to prompt you to allow that application to have access to your contact list. So not to worry about that. Now do this for all of the apps that you think that do not need access to your contact list. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to Permission Manager. I want you to also look at the call logs. Tap on the call logs. You'll see a list of apps that do have access to your number. Now look at that. Take all the access out for each apps that you do not think need access to your contacts. Now, that is it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel for more tech tips like this. I'll see you in my next video.